Reiki is a gentle, natural healing energy that flows through all living things. When you open yourself to Reiki by receiving your attunement, you allow this universal life force energy to enter through the crown of your head into your heart and through your hands into yourself or others. Reiki brings balance, peace, and well-being on every level: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. It can help reduce stress, ease pain, improve sleep, and support the body's natural ability to heal. Reiki can also be shared with animals, plants, and even the earth itself, because Reiki always flows where it is most needed. Once you have completed your attunement, you can go ahead and use it. Here are a few simple guidelines to help you on your way. Before giving Reiki, it is important to be grounded. When we are not grounded, we can feel stressed, anxious, tired, or easily irritated. Our energy may feel scattered or drained. Being grounded means being steady, calm, and connected to the earth. It helps us use Reiki energy without feeling overwhelmed. Close your eyes and take 3 slow, deep breaths. As you breathe out, release any tension from your body. And as you breathe in, imagine drawing in peace and stability. Now imagine roots of light growing down from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth. Feel yourself steady, calm, and safe, fully grounded and ready to work with Reiki. You can also drink a glass of water, go for a walk, or simply sit quietly with your awareness in your body. Taking a few simple steps to prepare helps create the right atmosphere for Reiki to flow. So now that you are grounded, wash your hands. Gentle music, a white candle or incense can be used if desired, or simply imagine the room glowing with pure light. Release any worries and bring your full attention into the present moment. A few slow, deep breaths will help you to settle. Visualize a bubble of white or golden light surrounding and supporting you. If it feels right, call on guides, Archangel Michael, or other angels for support, and affirm, I am safe, I am protected, I am guided by divine love. Make sure you're not going to be disturbed. Remember to turn off your phones, as Reiki flows most naturally when the atmosphere is calm, relaxed, and open. And be open to the experience. During Reiki, it's natural for emotions or feelings to arise as the energy releases what is no longer needed. This is simply part of the healing process. The most helpful approach is to stay relaxed, allow the flow, and to let the energy do its work, bringing a sense of lightness and ease. And dedicate the session. Silently affirm before you start, may this Reiki flow for the highest good of all. And add the following steps if you are preparing to give a Reiki treatment to someone else. Take a few minutes before you start just to have a chat so that they feel at ease. Gently explain that Reiki is a soft, natural energy that flows through the hands, and that they may notice warmth, tingling, deep peace, or even some emotions coming up, all of which are simply part of the release and healing process. Make sure the space feels cozy and that both you and the receiver are warm and comfortable before beginning. So now focusing on giving Reiki to yourself. After receiving your attunement, it's wonderful to give Reiki to yourself as often as you can. a daily practice helps the energy settle in and strengthens the connection over time. So sit or lie down somewhere comfortable. Begin wherever feels right, or simply start at the top of the head and move down gradually through the body. The moment there's an intention, Reiki begins to flow through the hands. For example, place your hands gently on or just above the crown of your head. Reiki may feel warm, soft, or deeply soothing, or there may be no sensation at all. Either way, the energy is flowing and doing its work. Simply trust. After a few minutes, move your hands to the forehead and eyes, then to the throat, resting as long as feels comfortable in each place. Continue to the heart, solar plexus, stomach, and lower abdomen. If it's hard to reach your legs or feet, simply intend the energy to flow there. Pause at each position, breathing gently, and allow Reiki to move where it is most needed. If one area feels like it needs longer, stay there as long as it feels right. To finish, place your hands over your heart and offer thanks. Self-Reiki can be especially nurturing during times of stress, tiredness, restlessness, sleeplessness, bringing calm and balance back into your system. And now, a few simple steps to take when sharing Reiki with friends or family. Reiki can be a wonderful gift to share with those close to us. Invite the person to sit or lie down in a way that feels comfortable and relaxed for both of you. Begin by resting your hands lightly on their shoulders or simply hovering your hands above, allowing Reiki to flow. Move your hands gently through a few natural positions such as the head, shoulders, chest, stomach, legs, and feet. Choose placements that feel comfortable and appropriate for both you and the receiver, always respecting personal boundaries. Reiki will naturally flow wherever it is needed. Stop for a few minutes in each position, letting intuition guide whether to linger longer in one spot or another. Remember, Reiki works best when it's easy and relaxed. To complete the session, place your hands gently over or above the heart area and give thanks. Whether the session was for yourself or for someone else, it's helpful to finish with a few simple steps. Take a quiet moment to give thanks to the source of Reiki energy, to any higher beings who assisted, to yourself for your openness and willingness, and to the healing process. Gently brush down the body from head to toe as if sweeping away any remaining tension or heavy energy. Imagine it dissolving into the earth as light, or picture standing beneath a cleansing shower of light. And this can also be done for the person who received the Reiki. Visualize both the practitioner and receiver surrounded in their own protective bubble of golden white light. Drink a glass of water to help ground and fully return to the present moment. If sharing Reiki with someone else, let them know the session is complete and give them time to sit up slowly and relax. Finally, Reiki is gentle, simple, and always safe. There is no way to do it wrong. What matters most is the intention to let Reiki flow for the highest good. With regular practice, Reiki can become a natural part of daily life, bringing support, peace, and healing to yourself and your loved ones. Blessings on your Reiki journey. if you would like more support, go to the link in the description for a complete 1-hour guided self-treatment audio. If this light transmission touched your soul, please like, comment, and subscribe to support this sacred channel. Sharing helps more people discover this gentle power of healing and transformation. Tap the bell to receive updates on all new meditations, insights, and affirmations infused with angelic light and higher consciousness. Thank you for walking this path with me. You are the light, clearer and more at peace than ever before.